Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise. Here we are. You got your Harley. You start buying tools when you buy this Sonic kit. Sonic, beautiful quality, very cool box. Very sort of, it's like a, you know, it's not just hard plastic that will crack. It's a proper thing. And someone out of the RAF actually said these are very good quality. Now, being an aircraft technician, if he says they are, and he ordered this, I believe him. But you can see here you got your Phillips, which aren't the same as your Posies, by the way. Posi drive, you see the angle much steeper. Your Phillips, different angle completely. You've also got your Imperial you're likely to use. This is for some of the later Harleys which use Jap and Harley. You've then got all your Imperial or AF sockets, whatever you want to call them. You've got your Torx, which your Torx are very useful. These are for switch gear. Your T27 you use the most on Harley. You've then got your 12-point sockets. These are for doing all your brakes. Most of the Harley brake pins are all done like this. As you can see here, you've got deep knob in a stupid hot hatch. You've got your short and your long or deep sockets, good quality ratchets and everything. And as you can see here, proper ratchet, changeover lever, everything. And if you're interested, customcruisers.com or the new site customcruisers.eu. 01773 835 666. But cracking bit of kit, very high quality. Just tell from the clamps and everything, you know, very, very cool bit of kit. Sonic part number 205301. We also do an 83-piece kit, that's 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch as well. But if you've got a Harley, this is absolutely the kit to buy, especially if you know you've always had Jap bikes. So give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com.